Hello? How's your mood today? In this video tutorial, I'll show you a very beautiful temporary tattoo, but one that disappointed me. Now I'll show you why. Let's start with clean and dry skin. Choose a spot for your tattoo. Unpack the tattoo and remove the protective film. Apply the tattoo face down onto the skin. Dampen the tattoo with a sponge or damp cloth. Wait for about 30 seconds, then carefully remove the paper. Gently pat away excess water and allow the tattoo to dry. Enjoy your new temporary tattoo. All right. See you in the next video then. Enjoy your shower and good luck with the experiment.